Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple right away, tap on those type of dots at the top right corners. To exclude some that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, select the bin icon at the bottom right corner. And confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!